Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix network problems in your Android phone. This works on all Android phones. So I'm gonna share a few tips to fix this problem. Tip number one, payments. No payment means no service. Pre-authorized payments is the best solution. Number two is the SIM card errors or SIM card problems. So even if you don't get a SIM card error in your Android phone screen, you still have to check the SIM card. You just remove it, remove the SIM card, check the SIM card, and just put it back. And restart your phone. Just turn it off and turn it back on. Solution number three, wrong APN settings. APN, access point names, especially when you're changing phones or when you get a phone unlocked, you need to change APN settings. That's what I'm gonna show you right now. So just open settings in your phone, go to settings, go to network where it says mobile network or connections. I have a Samsung phone, so I'm gonna go to connections and then just look for mobile networks or cellular networks on some devices. You will see access point names. When you open that, you should be able to see your company's name, your carrier's name. If you don't see that, there is a problem with APN settings. You will not get mobile data in your device. Make sure you check that network for access point names. You select your network and make sure there is a link right there. You should be able to see that link. If you don't see it, you need to go to your carrier's website, find that link, and just press the plus sign and add it. So I'm gonna press the plus sign. If you don't see that link, you will have to update your carrier's network information. You will find your carrier's access point name in your carrier's website, or you can open a browser in your phone, go to Google and search for access point name followed by the name of your company, of your carrier, followed by the name of your network. You will see all that information. You just enter those details one by one, starting with your company's name, APN, and so on. Make sure you respect the punctuation, dots, slashes, everything. Edit access point names. You need to enter all this information here. The name of your carrier, the name, APN, proxy, port, username, password. Some information here is optional. You don't have to enter some information. You just enter what you see on your carrier's website. Name, APN, proxy, port, skip username and password. You enter server, MMSC, and some other information here. Or if you cannot find access point names for your carrier, you just press the three dots and press reset to default. That is gonna reset the access point names of your carrier. And don't forget to select your company's name again once the settings are reset. So now, number four, wrong network mode. So I'm gonna show you how to fix network mode. It's very easy. So I'm gonna go to settings again and look for mobile network, always in mobile network or cellular network. So I'm gonna go to connections, mobile networks, and then you will see network mode. On some phones you will see network type. So you just press that. Network mode, you will see a lot of networks here. You just select 5G, 4G, or another network. So if you have 5G, you just select that. So that's how to change network mode. After I have tried all this step and it still does not work, so I'm gonna show you how to manually select your carrier's network. So it's very easy. So you just go to settings, always in connections, look for mobile networks Open that. You will see network operators. You will not see this on some phones. Press network operators and just turn it off. Turn off, select automatically network. Your phone will find available networks. Now you have to register your phone on your carrier's network. You just put a check mark on your company's name and you're done. Registered on network. If it does not work, go to tip number 6. Number 6, I'm gonna show you how to reset network settings. This does not delete any data from your phone. To reset network settings, go to settings, open settings. It depends on your phone brand or model because phones have different settings. You just find this information in your phone. Open settings and look for reset. Once you have found reset, you will see reset network settings. So in Android phones, you will see that information in about phone. Scroll down, you will see reset. Press reset. You will see 4 or 5 options. It depends on your phone brand. I'm talking today about reset mobile network settings. Press that to open it and just press reset settings. Reset. Network settings reset. As you can see, nothing has changed in my phone. I still have my apps and everything is there. The only thing that's deleted is your Wi-Fi. Just go back to settings, connections, look for Wi-Fi, enable Wi-Fi, press Wi-Fi, find your Wi-Fi and connect again. Tip number 7, airplane mode or flight mode. If you're dealing with network issues in your Android phone, whether it's texting, calling, mobile data or Wi-Fi, there is a quick trick you should try, airplane mode. Turning it on and off forces your device to refresh its network connections. In just a couple of seconds, it reconnects everything, often fixing those annoying signal problems instantly. Simple, fast, and super effective. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy. Just go to settings and look for flight mode or airplane mode. Let's find it in my phone. Go to connections and look for flight mode, airplane mode. So it's the same option. Just enable it for 2 seconds. You will see a little plane. So you just turn it off. This will refresh network in your device. Airplane mode is a quick solution. Enable airplane mode for 2 seconds and turn it off. And don't forget to power cycle your phone. Just turn it off for a few seconds and turn it back on. One last thing I would like to share with you, because sometimes you don't hear your calls. You don't hear your phone when it's ringing. So always in settings, notifications, make sure do not disturb is disabled. And notifications, just look where it says sound, notification sound. Now I'm gonna change the ringtone for my device. You can change ringtone and you have to put the ringtone volume to maximum. Let's go back. Notification sound for your texting or for your calendar or for other applications. Notification sound, you can change that here. You have the volume. Volume is very important for ringtones. That's how to fix network problems in an Android phone, all models, all brands. It depends on the phone you are using because settings are a little bit different. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.